Off-road enthusiasts, brace yourselves. Ford is stirring up excitement in the world of rugged trucks with the introduction of the F-150 Lightning switchgear concept, a collaborative creation by Ford Performance and RTR. Drawing inspiration from the F-150 RTR Ultimate Funhaver, this concept boasts a striking exterior, featuring custom carbon composite bodywork that includes a wide-body kit with muscular fenders and distinctive vents. Beyond the surface, the truck undergoes significant modifications aimed at enhancing its off-road capabilities. The front and rear bumpers are redesigned to optimize approach and departure angles, complemented by the addition of a front skid plate, steel rock rails, and a prominent spoiler. One can't ignore the attention-grabbing 18-inch wheels adorned with 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, along with a bed-mounted chase rack housing 2 spare tires. Inside the cabin, the F-150 Lightning switchgear concept reveals several noteworthy upgrades. 5 Recaro Sportster ORV seats equipped with 6-point harnesses dominate the space, accompanied by a distinctive dashboard, or rear bar, and what appears to be a manual parking brake that could pass as a hockey stick. Beneath its robust exterior, the truck features a revamped suspension system with custom components both at the front and rear. The 3-inch Fox internal bypass shocks and an increased track of 80 inches contribute to an off-road prowess that promises 13.5 inches of clearance at the front and 11 inches at the rear, coupled with an impressive 13 inches of wheel travel. For those who prefer the asphalt to the dirt, an alternative street configuration is available. This version showcases an aerodynamic front bumper, a tonneau cover, and 20-inch wheels wrapped in Nitto NT420V tires. The suspension is adjusted for a lower ride height, providing a sleeker appearance without sacrificing performance. Despite its aggressive appearance reminiscent of the Raptor, the F-150 Lightning switchgear retains a relatively mild demeanor under the hood. It maintains a stock powertrain, featuring a 131 kWh battery pack that powers a dual-motor all-wheel drive system generating 580 horsepower and 775 lb-ft of torque. While the concept's acceleration figures remain undisclosed, the regular F-150 Lightning with the extended range battery can achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of less than 4 seconds. Mark Rushbrook, Ford Performance's Global Director of Motorsports, emphasizes that the F-150 Lightning switchgear concept serves as a showcase for the potential of electric vehicles. He sees it as a playground for engineers to swiftly advance their knowledge for future electric vehicles. The truck is set to make its public debut at the King of the Hammers race on January 25, promising an exciting glimpse into the future of electrified off-road vehicles.